Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and that right here on the back is my cat Tiger. He's taking a nap, I think so. I'm pretty sure he's taking a nap. And today I want to show you the set of two bar stools, pure leather bar stools that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show them to you in a close up in a few seconds. But something that got me surprised about these ones is I have a pretty tall and big and tall countertop, like kitchen countertop over here, which is 46 inches tall. So that's not super usual. Normally they are like probably like 38, 36, 40 or something like that, even 42, but this is a 46 inches. So what I have to say is that I'm pretty happy that I found that they sent me this one that goes from, listen to this, because I kind of like was a little bit mind blown. So it goes from 24 inches right here, 24 inches to the bottom, and then up it goes almost to 30 inches. So these are one of the tallest ones that I try, and each one of this supports 300 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot for something that is not super big. Let's take a closer look. So on the bottom section, something that I like is the base over here, which has this really nice chrome accents. And I have to say that it's a pretty stable base. It's not super flimsy or something like that. They support 300 pounds, so don't expect this one to be like super hard rock solid ones there. They have a little bit of kind of like juggle, not too much, but you can see that they move a little bit. And now here, this is actually a really nice footrest to both kind of like have this way to sitting, which I think it's really nice. But also when you're going back and you're going to kind of like go back into the tallest position, you're going to see that you're going to have to use this as a support to sit because they're super tall. So you won't reach the floor. I mean, unless you're probably like 6.6 foot or something like that. And as I was telling you before, I do like this kind of like really nice and stylish accents with the pure leather. So it's actually a really nice way of I want to say like dressing a kitchen. For example, if you have this one in your kitchen countertop, this is going to add some style. By the way, you can remove this leather if you want. It's kind of like a sleeve. You can remove it and leave it all the way chrome. So that's actually a nice thing. And talking about the assembly process, each one of this with these instruction manuals, each one of this is not going to take you more than 15 minutes. So probably like half-hour tops or something like that. I also like the stitches over here. This is water resistant, and you can see that they have some cushion. So that's actually a nice thing. They're good enough to kind of like have dinner or lunch or take breakfast or something like that. And they look really good as well. So what can I say? I do like these ones. They swivel perfectly, like 360. You can put them from between, as I was telling you before, 24 inches to almost 30 inches tall, using the footrest, the chrome accents, and the 300 pounds with this really nice pure leather style, of course. Super stylish, super modern. I like them. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.